this wonderful encounter. My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
For me, the question called Hakia Sophia because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyamoe institution.
Because the great work of China is BB, but for today, Pado coming for chemical that is meant to kill all sickness within the human stomach as zombie.
Hi, Thomas.
Hi,
Yeah, we got our links out.
that's what I'm working on.
All right, so let's give ourselves a few seconds for the link to go out. So we already have everyone in studio. We have this is the last game of the day, and it's the third game of the round of 12. 6 games will be played. 6 games will be played. I found it, Thomas. I got it.
Okay, that's good.
6 games are going to be played in this round. This is the third game. Tomorrow we'll have 3 games. So the first game of the day, just a recap. Jimmy Jodokon was a victor in the game against St. Martin, and it was a close, very clashing encounter. The second game of the day was very splendid. It went to the very end, but at the end of the day, the difference was 30 points margin in favor of Dream's system. So Dream also joined Jimmy Jodokon. The third game of the day, we have 2 schools from Montserrado County. And they are the College of West Africa, a household name, and some may argue the oldest school in the Republic of Liberia, and the Samwa school system, another decent school that have a decent math program there in the Ghanansville, Painesville belt there of the Ghanansville belt there of the Somalia Drive, or I think it has another name now, Thomas, right? I think it's the Japanese something freeway. All right, so
Yeah.
whatever the case is, let's move over to Samwa International. Samwa International, please give us 30 seconds of intro.
Yeah, thank you for giving me time to introduce myself. Sitting in studio today, I'm Shia Tiaga Mohammed Pinatu. I remain constant.
You remain concerned. Yeah, Jeremiah Martin, bring your GN here, bring Kabebo, bring Sheet, can learn more, can solve. Let's move on to CWA, College of West Africa. 30 seconds for your intro.
Thank you so ever much for the video and Veteran Thomas Tabe. I'm Pierre Zanoya School. For firstly, let me recognize my teammate who is not present, Philmon Pinato. And for today's game, I prefer to be called Elisana of Macedonia. Thank you.
All right. What are not here? Not do here. Today, Umba will do that one. What I can say, equal no party, eh? Equal no party. Thomas Tabe, go into it, acquaint them with what they need to know today, and then we'll move. I'll go straight into the game.
I think these people are not new to the board game. This is their second game. But however, folks out there, I will repeat the rules because you guys are following and need to know the rules. So the question will go for 1 minute maximum. The question will go for 1 minute maximum. And if you think you can provide an answer or you can answer the question within a second, all we need from you is that when you boost our bell to provide an answer, the answer is really provided within 10 seconds. If you cannot provide an answer within 10 seconds, we will cut you off. And the question, the rule number 3 says that whatever question you answer, you should be able to prove it. Any question you answer, you should be able to prove it. So these are the rules that will govern this wonderful game. My name is Thomas Tape Jr., and I wish both teams good luck.
Thank you, Thomas. We also have Ramsey. Veteran Ramsey there. How do you call him here? The veteran scholar, eh?
Yeah, he's a fellow of all veterans. He's a fellow of all veterans.
We salute you. That little boy, he just draw. Where's Isaac going? Where is Isaac going? Where are the Buffalo boys?
All the Nigerian come here.
I haven't seen Tue today. I've not seen Tue today. Where is Tue? Yes. So everyone, welcome again. My name is Willie B. Bidel. I don't like to waste time. Time is not a friend. It's not a luxury that we can afford. Given that, we'd like to jump straight into the game. And we're going with question number 1. Pen to paper. Question number 1. Please test the boozers. Question number 1. Find the inverse of the function. And the function is f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 8. You have 10 seconds. Don't waste my time.
Y is equals to the root of x plus 8 all divided by 2.
Come again.
Y is equals to the root of x plus 8 all divided by 2.
All right. Modify and teach me. Modify and teach me.
Or I can say y is equals to the root of x over 2 plus 4.
Teach me.
Firstly, I replace f of x with y, and then I interchange. Then I solve for y.
Walk me through it.
Okay, no problem. I say y is equal to 2x squared minus 8. And then I interchange. So it will be x is equal to 2y squared minus 8. You send the 8 across to the x, it's going to positive. So you have 2y squared is equal to x plus 8. And then we divide both sides by 2. We have y squared is equals to x plus 8 all divided by 2. And then I want to find the value of y, so I take the square root on both sides.
Save your breath. Anything other than explaining that they having with Mao player, we're not playing Mao yet. Take 10 points. Question number 2. The shorter base of a trapezoid is 10. The shorter leg is 10. And the longer leg is 12. Find the area of the trapezoid. The shorter base of a trapezoid is 10. The shorter leg is 10. And the longer leg is 12. Find the area of the trapezoid.
Yes.
10 seconds.
I go for 11H.
Come again.
11H.
What is wait? I'm not getting your answer.
11H. You didn't give the height, so the area is 11H meter square.
11H meter square. That's the height. I say, what is the area?
The area is 11H meter square. You didn't give the height.
You're wrong.
11H.
You're wrong. The shorter base of a trapezoid is 10. The shorter leg is 12, and the longer leg is 12. Find the area of the trapezoid. Yes. You got 20 seconds on the clock. Yeah, Monster, 10 seconds. Yeah. We'll wait on the settle. Samwa, can you hear me? All right, Thomas, I'll kick them off. When he comes back, you go straight into his answer.
Sure.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last game of the day. The first game, it was an entertaining one. That was Jimmy Jodokon, Kweseko Hustle Name in Liberia, versus Martin Catholic from Bon County. Jimmy Jodokon was the victor. The second game, we did see Dream School System, the only school that is currently representing or the schools from Grand Bassa County in the Math Quiz Bowl versus Patmelia. Patmelia is from Montserrado County. Dreams was the victor, and we have the final game that is ongoing, and this game is between the College of West Africa and Samwa. College of West Africa and Samwa. As it stands, the score is 10 points to Samwa and 0 to CW. Samwa, my answer. Samwa, my answer.
Yes, I go for 30 units square.
You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. The answer is the area will be 100 plus 10 root 11. 100 plus 10 root 11. What's up, Kwam?
Yes, man, you never gave the high.
Yeah, which is what you need to find. Which is the trick.
Area, you know, in one equation, you cannot have two unknowns and solve. We are finding the area and we need a high to solve for the area. The formula of the trapezoid.
You don't have the high. Hold on. I gave you. You don't have the high. The formula to find the area is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 and high. You got base 1. Yes, you got base 1. You got base 2, but you don't have the high, right?
Yes.
You don't have the high. But if you draw the trapezoid, you kind of realize that your trapezoid draw, one side of it will look like to have the edge will look like a how you call it a triangle, and then if it looks like a triangle, you will treat it like a 30, 60, and 90 triangle. Since you have one side to be 10, so that edge with the height representing that side of the triangle will be what 2 root 10. It will be 2 root 10. So you come back to it also to be 2 root 10 and 10. Then you can use that. They'll give you 100 plus 10 root 11. The question is number 3. Question is number 3. Vani works for his father for 3/4 of the year. I repeat the question. Vani works for his father for 3/4 of the year, and he works for his mother for the rest of the year. What is the ratio of time Vani spent working for his mother to the time he spent working for his father? CWA.
Yes. I would take 1 to 3.
1 to 3. How many? 1 to 3. Teach me.
Okay. According to the question, Fanny stayed 3/4 of the year working with his father and the rest with his mom. So our idea is 1 year is equal to 12 months. And I simplify by saying 3 or 4 times 12. 4 going to 12, 3 times 3 is 9. Then the rest of the same the question said he worked the rest of the year with his mother. So since it's 12 months in a year, I minus 9 going 12, I have 3. But then the ratio asks for the time spent with his mother to his father, so it's 3 to 9, which when simplified is 1 to 3.
1 to 3. Or I can also, if you don't want to use 12 months, you can use 1. You can use 1. If you use 1, it will give 1 minus 3/4, which will give you 1/4. 1/4 divided by 3/4 will give you 1/3. So take 10 points. I accept your competition and take 10 points. And Thomas Tabet, that's how I move over to you.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. Once again, we have 2 schools, Samwa and CWA. The score is 10-10. 10-10. 3 questions has been read, and we move on to the 4th question. The question is question number 4. Question is question number 4. And I read for both schools. Question number 4. And I read. The complement of an angle is 30 degrees less than 1/3 of its supplement. The complement of an angle is 30 degrees less than 1/3 of its supplement. Find the measure of the angle. Find the measure of the angle. The complement of an angle is 30 degrees less than 1/3 of its supplement. Find the measure of the angle. The last time. The complement of an angle is 30 degrees less than 1/3 of its supplement. find the measure of the angle.
Measure B come again.
The complement of an angle is 30 degrees less than 1/3 of its supplement. Find the measure of the angle.
Ten seconds. Answer.
Answer. You have 10 seconds. One.
Go for the value of L would be like 180 degree.
180 degrees. You are wrong. CWA, you have 10 seconds. I read your question. The complement of an angle is 30 degrees less than 1/3 of its supplement. Find the measure of the angle. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. CWA, what is the answer?
Yes. I will go for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think it's a glitch.
Yeah. 6. 7, 8. So what's the decision?
No, you can't answer. You can't answer because they're right there. They're right there, and you can tell that. Let's give you a split second. Yeah, CW answer.
I'll go for nothing else for 50.
So folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you're highly welcome.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us,
Yeah, CW answer.
I said 45 degree.
CWA answer?
45.
45 degrees. You said 45 degrees, and your answer is 45 degrees. Teach me.
Okay, thank you very much. So now, looking at this question, it's like both way question will solve it simultaneously. So to find the complement of the angle, I say let x be the angle we are concerned with. So the complement will be 90 minus another angle, that's a y. And then we count the complement will be 180 minus y, so we are concerned with x. And according to the question, the complement is 30 degrees less than 1/3 of the angle. So equating both equations, I have 180 minus y is equal to 30 minus 1/3 parenthesis open 90 minus y. It closes. So what I did here is I look for the LCD, the least common denominator, which is three, as multiply the whole equation by 3, I'll 30 minus y. So I'll say y times 3, which is 3y, is equal to, we have 90 here, right? So we have 30, and so it 30 times 3, which is 90, minus, parenthesis open, 90 minus y. Because since the 3 y is the denominator, 3 will cancel 3 will multiply. Then now simplifying the equation, I will have 500 minus 3y is equal to 90 minus 90 plus y. So 90 will cancel out, I'll get 4y, but I'll send the negative 3y across, I'll get 4y equal to 540 divided by, I'll get 135. 135 that is the supplement. So what I did is, to get the angle constant, which is x, you say the first equation, x is equal to y, 180 minus y. Since I solve for y, I minus 180 for 135 minus 180, I have 45 degrees to be for x, which is the angle we are concerned with.
Wow. 13 points. 13 points. 13 points. The solution was a little bit complex, but 13 points. 13 points. I like the solution. I like the solution. Like you separate into two different parts. I like the way you solve it. Of course, it was complex, but I like it. And take 10 points. So, folks, the score is 20 points to CWA and 10 points to Samwa. We move on to question number 5. The question is question number 5, and I read for both schools. Question number 5. And I read, find the vertex, the focus, and the directrix of the parabola with equation y squared is equal to 8x. Y squared is equal to 8x. Find the vertex, the focus, and the directrix of this parabola. Y squared is equal to 8x. You're finding three things: the vertex, the focus, and the directrix of this parabola. Y squared is equal to 8x.
CWA.
Yes, brethren, let the vertex be nothing else but 0, the focus is nothing else but 0,1 over 32, and the direction is negative 1 over 32.
Come here, you want to answer?
The vertex is 0,0, the focus is 0,1 over 32, and the direction is y equal to negative 1 over 32.
You are wrong. I can't accept that. Samwa, what is the answer?
Yes. The vertex there will be parenthesis open 4,0, and the directrix here will be minus 1 over 32, and the focus here will be
Up to now, I don't understand. You are wrong. I don't understand where the 32 coming from. The equation is y squared is equal to 8x, and the signal form is y squared is equal to 4px. So 4px is equal to 8, and p will be equal to 2. If p is equal to 2, then the vector is 0, as you said. The focus is 2, and the direct stress is there. S is equal to minus 2. So I don't know where the 32 coming from, or which
That was a mistake.
equation you guys are using.
Oh, God. Yeah, come on.
So, folks, that's how we come. That was question number. That was question number 5. That was question number 5. We'll move on to question number 6. The question is question number 6, and I read for both schools. Question number 6, and I read: a committee of three is to be chosen from a group of 8 men and 6 women. What is the probability that the committee will have at least one woman? I read again. A committee of 3 is to be chosen from a group of 8 men and 6 women. What is the probability that the committee will have at least one woman?
You say at least one woman.
Yeah, at least one woman.
How much time do we have? Samwa.
We have about 30 more seconds.
Samwa, 10 seconds.
yeah, I have 168.
The answer is why 168 you are wrong. Yes,
That I
628.
have 41 all over 1,120.
The answer is 41
All
or
over
over 1,000.
1,120.
No, I can't accept that. The correct precise answer is 77 over 91. 77 over 91. So the total ways to choose three people is 14 accommodation 3, which is 364, and the ways to choose three men is 8 accommodation 3, which is 56, and the way to choose three people with at least one woman is 60, is 60, 364 minus 56. That is the way to choose three men minus the way to choose three women, which will give you 308. 308 divided by the total way to choose three people. That is 308 divided by 364. If you divide the lowest end, you'll be left with 77 over 91. And folks, that's how we come to the end of the first question in this match.
Question number 7, pen and paper. Write the equation of a line touching to the cycle. And the equation here is x squared plus y squared is equal to 40 at the point 2, 6. Write the equation of a line touching to the cycle. X squared plus y squared is equal to 40 at the point 2, 6.
So the game between Familia and Dream School System, the margin was 70-40. Dreams had 70, Familia 40, and the margin was 30 points.
You got 10 seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6. Answer. 10 seconds, Samwa. 1, 2.
Yes, I have y is equals to x plus 4.
Wrong. Write the equation of a line touching to the cycle. Take my breath. My answer.
Yes, I have y to be equal to 2 the root of 10x minus 4 the root of 10 plus 6.
Wrong. Y is equal to minus 1 over 3x plus 20. When you solve the slope, it's just what? Minus 1 over 3. So the equation will be minus 1 over 3x plus c. When you solve for c, c is 20 over 3. Yeah, minus 1 over 3x plus c. The question is going to be number 8. Solve the quadratic inequality. Solve the quadratic inequality and give your answer in interval notation. I can take it 2 ways. Interval notation, you can give me two ways you can give me interval notation. I repeat the question. Solve the quadratic inequality and give your answer in interval notation. Solve the quadratic inequality and give your answer in interval notation. Solve. 2x squared plus 5x minus 12 is greater than or less than 0. Solve. 2x squared plus 5x minus 12 is greater than or less than is greater than or equal to 0. 2x squared plus 5x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 0. Thomas has scored 70-40 for Dreams. 70-40. Not 30, 70-40.
Oh yeah, 70-40. That's why I said 70-40 and machine is 30. The machine was 30. 70-40 machine 30.
Ten seconds. 10. CWA. My answer.
Yes, let your answer be nothing else but x is such that x -4 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 or 2.
Teach me. I like your answer. Teach me. Teach me. Teach me.
Okay, thank you. So such that, so you have the equation to be 2x squared plus 5x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 0. What I did here is I'm finding how to factor out, so I use the formula method. But you say negative b plus or minus the rule of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is 2, b is positive 5, and c is minus 12. So substituting all variables within the equation, I have x will be equal to -5 plus or minus the rule of 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 12. When I do that, I'll have 25 because I'll have -5 because say it's negative b plus or minus the rule of b squared, 2 is 25. Negative, say I have negative in the product of 4ac, I'll change the sign to plus. I'll have 4 times 2, which is 8, 8 times 12, which is 96. We are adding 96 and 12 and 25, have 121, the root of 121. Getting that 121 out of the root, I'll have 11. So the whole equation here is -5 plus or minus 11, all over 4 because of the 2a, 2 times 2. So -5 plus or minus 11, all over 4 is 2 ways. -5 plus 11, which is 6 over 4, and -5 minus 11, all over 4. So I will have 6 over 4 and minus 16 over 4, which will give me 3 over 2. If I simplify the 6 over 4, and minus 16 over 4 will give me -4. But in interval notation, send the value of x range between -4 and 3 over 2. -4 comes first on the normal now. So I said -4 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3 over 2.
All right. So thank you. I like your explanation. I really like your answer. Not just explanation, but really like your answer. So let me help you. Another way, another kind of a notation that you can give, it will be the open bracket, open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, -4, the close bracket, and then another close bracket will be 3 over 2, comma, positive infinity. Everything going to the -4, and everything from 3 over 2. Take 10.
Thank you, sir.
And would like to also recognize the presence of Honorable Dixon Phil Tapper. You are welcome. Thank you. And the school year is 30 to CWA and 10 to Samwa. The last question for the first half. Last question for this first half. Last question for the first half. Simplify the complex fraction. Simplify the complex fraction. The long parenthesis opens. -5 divided by b minus 5. The long parenthesis closes. -3. Or divided by another long parenthesis opens. 10 divided by b minus 5. That long parenthesis closes plus 6. I repeat the question. Simplify the complex fraction. The long parenthesis opens. -5 divided by b minus 5. It closes. -3. Or divided by another long parenthesis opens. 10 divided by b minus 5. It closes plus 6. CWA. CWA. Teach me.
Yes, like the answer be nothing else but 6b minus 65 over b minus 5.
Come again.
6b minus 65 over b minus 5.
Hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on there. Say nothing else.
All right, no problem.
Say nothing else. Say nothing else. Thomas, please hold the fort for me. I'm gonna double check something.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. We have two schools here, College of West Africa from Montserrado County and Samwa International from Montserrado County also. The score we have here currently is 30 points to College of West Africa and 10 points to Samwa. The margin is 20 points in favor of College of West Africa. However, we are still in the first half. About 8 questions has been read. We are still in the first half, and about 8 questions has been read. So we are left with the total of 10 questions to come out this game.
Please,
So if you are just
please give me your answer again. Thank you, Thomas. I'm sorry. Please give me your answer again.
6b minus 65 over b minus 5.
I won't take that. I won't take that. Samwa, what's the answer? Samwa, what is the answer? Samwa, can you hear me? Thomas, can you hear them?
You get me, Benjamin?
Hold on, Samwa, what is my answer?
Yes, I have minus 3b plus 10 or over 6b minus 20.
I threw the question out. I threw the question out. I threw the question out. Yeah, I threw the question out.
Can you provide me the answer you have there?
I threw the question out. I don't want to argue. The answer is one. Yeah, I don't want to argue. I threw the question out. I threw the question out. Simplify the complex fraction. Simplify the complex fraction. 1 minus parenthesis opens 2x divided by 3x minus 4 parenthesis closes, or divided by x minus parenthesis opens 32 divided by 3x minus 4 it closes. I can begin. 1 minus 2x divided by 3x minus 4, bracket open and closes. And the other is or divided by x minus parenthesis opens 32 divided by 3x minus 4, bracket parenthesis closes. Your answer?
Yes, Benjamin. I'm not going to nothing else but x minus 4 or over 3x squared minus 4x minus 32.
Can I give you an answer?
Get your answer, but in the numerator is x minus 4, and in the denominator is 3x squared minus 4x minus 32.
I won't take that. Samwa, I won't take that. Yes, Samwa,
Yeah, I have x minus 4 all divided by x squared minus 4x minus 32.
Samwa, you're wrong. The answer would be, when you simplify that fraction, it will be 1 divided by 3x plus 8. 1 divided by 1 or what? Yes? Yes, go ahead.
My answer was correct. Because if you multiply 3x plus 8 and x minus 4, you have 3x squared minus 4x minus 32. If you try to simplify in the denominator portion, we should factor out 3x plus 8 times x minus 4. If you multiply out, you have 3x squared minus 4x minus 32.
Repeat your answer, and then we'll continue the game. I'll solve it and let you know where your mistake was.
My answer was x minus 4 or was 3x squared minus 4x minus 32.
X minus 4 or divided by what?
3x squared minus 4x minus 32 or in the denominator.
Yeah, I got you. I got it. All right, let's continue. That was question number 9. Thomas, stop it. Over to you for the second half.
And that was question number 1. Sorry, question number 9. With our march down the waist, we move on to the second half, starting with question number 1. The question is question number 1, second half, and I read for both schools. Question number 1. Solve for x in this equation. Two x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x squared minus 3x. Samwa, you have 10 seconds. What is your answer? 1, 2, 3.
10 seconds.
4.
Yes. X here is equal to nothing else but 5 over 2 or negative 1.
X here is equal to nothing else but 5 over 2 or negative 1. Teach me.
First, I factorize the entire stuff, entire equation, which is why parentheses will be x, parentheses will be x plus 1, parentheses closing, another parentheses will be 2x minus 5, parentheses closing all equal to 0. That is the 0 product property.
Take 10 points. The question is question number 2, and I read for both schools. The score is 30 points to College of West Africa and 20 points to Samwa. The question is question number 2, second half, and I read for both schools. If the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 18 and the eighth term is 27, find the first term. If the fifth term, College of West Africa, you have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1.
Yes.
2.
Let the answer be nothing else but 6.
5.
6.
Let the answer be nothing else but 6. Teach me.
Okay. Looking at the question, you have, according to the question, you say the fifth term is 18 and the eighth term is 27. And in arithmetic progression, arithmetic sequence, you have the general formula of B, U of N, U represent the number of 10 asked for, is equal to the first term, which is A plus parenthesis OP N minus 1, which is the number of 10 times the common difference. So, looking at the first question was the fifth term. So, what I did here is I replace N by 5. So, I'll get A plus 5 minus 1 D is equal to 18. The next one was the eighth term, which will give me A plus 8 minus 1 D is equal to 27. Similarly, in the two equations, you have an A plus 7 equal to 27. As solve both of them simultaneously by using the elimination method to get rid of A first, which give me, since I can easily get rid of A, I get rid of A, I will have negative 3D equal to negative 9. Therefore, the common difference will be negative 9 or negative 3, which is positive 3. Then I substitute D within one of the equations, which I use the first one. So I have A plus 4 equal to 18, which is A plus 4 times 3 equal to 18, which is A plus 4 equal to 18. Then A is equal to 18 minus 4, which is just 6.
Take 10 points. Take 10 points. The question is question number 3, second half. Question number 3, second half. And I read for both schools. Find the system in the expansion, parenthesis open, x plus 2 equals to the 8th term. Or to the power 8. I read again. Find the system in the expansion, parenthesis open, x plus 2 equals raised to the 8th power. Raised to the 8th power. Raised to the 8th power. X plus 2 raised to the 8th power. You have to find the system. So the score is 40 points to CWA and 20 points to Samwa. Your answer, you have 10 seconds. What is your answer?
One. Yes, I'll go for 64x cubed.
64x cubed. You are wrong. Find the sixth term in the expansion. Parenthesis open, x plus 2 equals raised to the 8th power. Yes, what is the answer?
Yeah, 1,792 x to the 4th power.
Come again, your answer.
1792 x to the 4th power.
Oh, the last one. Come again, your answer for the last one.
Yes. The system here will be
1, 2, 3,
1,792 x to the 4th power, veteran.
You are wrong. You are wrong. You came very, very close. Answer is 1,792 x raised to the 10th power. X raised to the 10th power, not the full power. X raised to the 10th power. And that was question number 3.
All right. Thank you, Thomas. So the score remain CWA 40 points, Samwa 20 points. All right. CWA, let me address your question. You're wrong. The answer I gave you was 1 over 3x plus 8. You did an extremely good job by reaching to x minus 4 or divided by 3x squared minus 4x minus 32. That's what you said, correct?
Yes.
It can still be simplified. The denominator can still be broken down, can still be simplified.
I know the time.
No, but that's not the question. The question was simplify the complex fraction. That was the question. Simplify the complex fraction. All right. The question is going to be number 4, second half. The question is number 4, second half. Solve the trigonometry equation. Solve the trigonometry equation. Sine of parentheses open 2 pi, parentheses closes, minus root 3 over 2 is equal to 0. On the interval of 0 is less than or equal to theta, and theta is less than 2 pi. Solve the trigonometry equation. Solve the trigonometry equation. Sine, parentheses open, 2 theta. Sine, parentheses open, 2 theta, parentheses closes, minus the root of 3 over 2 is equal to 0. On the interval of 0 is less than or equal to theta, which is less than 2 pi. CWA.
Yes. Take theta to be nothing about power 3.
Power 3. What if I answer?
Power 3 or 2 power 3 or 60
You're wrong.
degree.
Wrong. Wrong. Samwa. Solve the trigonometry equation. Sin theta minus sin theta sin 2 theta minus 3 over root 3 over 2 is equal to 0.
Yes. I have 0 and power 3.
And you are wrong. The answer will be pi over 6, pi over 3, 7 pi over 6, and 4 pi over 3. Pi over 6, pi over 3, 7 pi over 6, and 4 pi over 3. CW, what's your quant?
Benjamin, you straighten the value of theta in the interval 0 less than theta
I think we're experiencing another glitch from them. Let's give them some time to settle in.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome. The score we have here is 40 points to College of West Africa and 20 points to Samwa. The machine in studio here is 20 points in favor of College of West Africa. Folks, we are in the second half, and about 5 questions has been read. Am I correct?
Yes, 5 questions has been read.
Yeah, 5 questions has been read, and we have about 4 more questions to come at this entire game. And this is the last game of this day. However, we have 3 more games to be played on tomorrow. So if wherever you are, you want to stay with us, and we hope you join us on tomorrow. So the games that we expect to play on tomorrow around the hour of 2 o'clock for the first game. We have 2 schools. The first game is Maguire versus Olympia Stockman High School. The second game is Nathaniel Valley Massacre versus CMFR, and the last game is Great Basket Institute versus Smooth Moya. Are you guys hearing us now?
Yeah, Benjamin video.
Yeah,
Yes.
go ahead. Go ahead. What's your quant?
My comment is you straighten the value of theta to be in
Of
between
course.
about 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to power 2. And between that interval only power 3 can give you that particular score.
Give me a second here. Let me explain to you what's going on. Just give me a split second.
So, folks, you are highly welcome. We are highly welcome. And this is the last game of the day. The score is 40 points to College of West Africa and 20 points to Samoa. The machine is 20 points in favor of College of West Africa. This is the last game of the day, and we hope to see you on tomorrow where we will play 3 different games or 3 extra games. Okay?
Yeah. All right, Thomas. So, CWA. So
Yes,
let's work through it. When you have sin 2 theta equal to root 3 over 2, right? When you carry across the equal sign, right?
yeah.
So when you carry across the equal sign, root 3 over 2. So what will be the general solution? The general solution will be 2 pi is equal to pi over 3 plus 2 pi n, and 2 pi is equal to 2 over 3 plus 2 pi n. Do you have that? The general solution?
This is the step that I follow.
No,
Son,
I'm letting you know what is what now. I'm letting you
yeah,
know what is
I'm
what.
very
At the end of the day, your solution is going to be in a range. You can even graph it. Graph it. Your solution will be in a range. In the range, there will be there are 4 numbers. The part there will be at 4 points, not number, but at 4 points. Graph it.
Yes,
It's
sir.
part over 6, part over 3 over 2, part over 7 over 6, and part of 4 over 3. On the interval of 0 is less than or equal to theta, and theta is less than 2 pi. So I'm looking at the graph.
But Benjamin, at the interval, I'm looking at you mentioned an interval earlier saying that given
And the
that
interval is still correct. I'm still giving you the graph, or giving the points based on the interval.
okay, let's proceed, Benjamin.
So please do a follow check on it. If you're still not convinced, then let's take it from there later.
Okay.
The question is number 6. The question is number 6. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which are divisible by 3 without any digits repeating?
You go again.
How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which are divisible by 3 without any digits repeating? How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are divisible by 3 without any of the digits repeating? How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are divisible by 3? 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
I have 360. 360 number.
360. I won't take 360. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are divisible by 3 without any digit repeating? And you have 25 seconds on the clock. The answer.
Yeah, I have 360.
The answer is 216. 216. The first step is to find the sum. You work on the the set of numbers. You have 120 plus 96 to give you 216.
Okay, Benjamin.
Thomas, give me a second. Let me explain this to them. So the first one, which is obvious, the first step is to find the sum. You got a 15, right? Then you have 2 set of numbers. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5 factorial. And you want it to be divided by 3.
Okay. All right, Benjamin.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, the answer is 216. Thomas Sabe, over to you.
So folks, we move on to the next 3 questions to climax this game. The question is question number 7, and I read for both schools. Question is number 7. And I read. Solve the equation. S cubed plus 2s squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. S cubed plus 2s squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Solve the equation. Samwa. You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1. 2.
Yes.
CD.
X here will be equals to nothing as above.
5.
Plus or minus 1
6.
or negative 2.
X is equal to plus or minus 1 or negative 2. Teach me.
Yeah, further I'll factor by grouping. And if you factor by grouping, you have x squared minus 1 in one parenthesis, and you have x plus 2 in another parenthesis, all equal to 0. And x squared minus 1 can still be factored by saying x plus 1 all parentheses and x minus 1 all parentheses and x plus 2 or parentheses are all equals to 0. Then use a zero product property by setting each of these expressions to 0.
18 points. The score is 30 points to Samwa and 40 points to South of West Africa. We have 2 more questions to climax this game. The question is question number 8, and I read: the edges of 2 friends are in the ratio 7:5. The edges of 2 friends are in the ratio 7:5. 8 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 4:3. How old are they now? 8 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 4:3. How old are they now? I read for the last time. The ages of 2 friends are in the ratio 7:5. 8 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 4:3. How old are they now?
How many games are
You have 30 more seconds, and I read for the last time for both schools. You have 30 more seconds, and I read for the last time for both schools. The ages of 2 friends are in the ratio of 7:5. 8 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 4:3. How old are they now? You have 20 more seconds remaining, both teams. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Yes, Samwa. What is the answer? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Somebody answer.
Yes.
Time. Culture, West Africa. You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the answer 6.
Yes, Veteran.
7.
Let your answer be 19 years for 4056.
40 and 56. 40 degree, 40 and 56. 40 and 56. 40 and 56. 40 and 56. Teach me.
Yeah, man. Okay, thank you. All right. Looking at the question, the first information they want to ask was the ratio of the ages in the current year was 7:5. So I say let x be the ages of one of the friend and y be the ages of the other friend. So it will be like same ratio can be rationalized. I would say 7/5 is equal to x over y. I set out a proportion right over there. Then in that particular information, what I did is I have to establish one equation. I say let's solve for x. X will be equal to 7y over 5. Another information I gave out to me by saying 8 years ago their ratio was 4:3. So set x on the age of one of the friend and minus 8 from there, and y on the age of the other friend and minus 8 from there. So give me x minus 8 or y minus 8 should be equal to 4:3. 4/3. But remember that in equation 1, I said x is equal to 7y over 5. So what I did, I replaced x with e equation 2 after I simplify to be 4y minus 32 equal to 3x minus 24. Then replacing x by y, I will get 3 times 7y minus 5 minus 24 on one side, and I will have 4y minus 32 on the other side. Since 5 is the LCD, I multiply the whole equation by 5, and I will have 20y minus 160 is equal to 21 watt minus 120. Collecting leg term, I'll get 4 watt bigger than 4. So I can make this. Collecting leg term, I'll get watt to be equal to, I'll have 3 watt. I have 21 watt and 20 watt. So if I minus 20 from 21, I'll get watt. Then 160 minus 120, you have 40. So one of the age of the first one is 40. Then remember I said x is equal to 7y over 5, and y over there is 40. I replace 40 with y in x equation. You give me 7 times 40 all over 5. 5 can go to 48 times 8 times 7 is 56.
13 points. The last question to climax this game. The question is question number 9. The last question to climax this game. And I read for both schools. Find the remainder when 2 raised to the 50th power is divided by 13. Find the remainder when 2 raised to the 50th power is divided by 13. Find the remainder when 2 raised to the 50th power is divided when find the remainder when 2 raised to the 50th power is divided by 13. You have 10 more seconds. Yes, Samwa. What is the answer?
Yeah, the remainder will be 1.
You are wrong. CWA find the remainder when 2 raised to the 5th when 2 raised to the 50th power is divided by 13. CWA, 10 seconds. What is
I'll
the answer?
get 2 to the 30th power.
You are also wrong. The remainder will be 4. The remainder will be 4. 2 raised to the 30th power. You use the format theorem or the formula to solve it. Use the format theorem or the format formula to solve it. That is a raised to the p minus 1 power is equal to 1. And the model p for the prime number of p. So model p stands for the prime number of p. So folks, that's how we come to the end of this wonderful encounter. The score is 30 points to Samwa and 50 points to College of West Africa. The machine is 20 points in favor of College of West Africa.
All right. So, Samwa, can you hear me? I think our guys there froze. By the way, let them take them out. Folks, it was 3 games today, but it looked long because it's mathematics and a lot of formalities, mathematical formalities, have got to be satisfied before we can move on to the next question, the next game.
Yeah, sure. The answer of the age problem was 40 and 56.
Yeah, that's it. That was the answer.
Yeah, 40 and 56.
Boya, answering you. Yeah, Boya, you're right. You get degree in math. You degree holder.
Yeah, degree holder. So
in math, not just degree holder, but degree holder
yeah,
in math.
in math. So that's you say we like here. Yeah, degree holder. You big degree in math.
Okay, so Thomas Tapper, I'd like to take the time out to say a big thanks to you first and foremost for putting in the work into our coordinators across all of the counties, and for this weekend especially our coordinators from Bon County, Grand Bassa County, and Montserrado County, in persons of Mr. Cooper, Chokon Cooper from Montserrado County, Joseph Aki Akwe from Bon County, and Asik Durin and Co from Grand Bassa County. Please follow us tomorrow where we have the closing of the round of 12. Three games are expected to be played tomorrow. We have speaking of Boya, I can be exposing. One of you has told me in high school versus Maguire. Oh, so tomorrow we'll have Boya and Tue on live, right?
Yeah, yeah, and we want to see him. Yeah, we
Yeah,
want to see
Mr.
him.
Tua, we need to see Mr. Tua and Puya because both of those guys are the ones who are representing their institution, especially when they watch these games. All right. We also like to welcome our veterans, or supporters, or students, or principals, or schools administrators here for the games tomorrow. So, Maguire versus Tottenham Ha is one of the games. Thomas, what games do we have tomorrow? What other games do we have? You're muted.
So
What?
on tomorrow, the first game for the day, we expect to see the first game will be between Maguire and Tottenham.
Mm-hmm.
So the first game is Maguire versus Tottenham.
Mm-hmm.
The second game for tomorrow, we have National Valley Massacre and CMFI. And the last game, Grace Crafty Institute and Small Moy Memorial Institute. So
Okay.
Maguire will play at 2 o'clock p.m.
Mm-hmm.
National Valley Massacre versus CMFI will be at 3 o'clock p.m. And at 4 o'clock p.m., Grace Crafty Institute versus Small Moy Memorial Institute.
Okay. All right. So yeah, I'd like to thank you again. So for the round of six, let us at the moment take a second to welcome Jimmy Jolokan, Dream School System in the College of West Africa to the round of six. And rest assure you, our students, these students are putting in the work, and they are some of the best students or some of the best math students in the country that the nation can boast of. Uh, Fanning, um, Prince, uh, we have Alexander Cole and Nato from CWA. So tomorrow we come on tomorrow. Let's come to see Smith from Maguire. We see
Maguire.
William V.S. Studman High is building up a team, and they have two serious-minded mathematicians. And the Bong boys, don't forget the Bongis from the
Yeah.
Patawi land. They will be here tomorrow. So the Bongis are going to be in full tomorrow. They're bringing up their giants. One of them, one of them was put out today, and that was who? Simati. But
St. Martin.
Simati went
Martin.
against Stevie Joloko. So, but it was a very decent game.
Yeah, it's all coming from Montserrado, so it was a decent one there.
Yeah,
But
it was a
however,
decent game. It was a
St.
decent
Martin,
game. But tomorrow we have Nathaniel
yeah,
Van
St. Martin
Massacre versus
is
CMFI.
a best.
And that's going to be a clash encounter. Then we have Grace versus Boboy. So tomorrow is all Montserrado versus Bon County. Yeah, Montserrado versus Bon County, and the only game we have, the physical game, will be Maguire versus Tottenham. From Bon County, Nathaniel Van and Sumomo will be playing, and Nathaniel Van will be playing CMFI, and Grace will be playing Sumomoy. So, guys, thank you for the time. We'd like to thank all of the veterans, scholars alike, super veterans, senior veterans, veteran father, and only one person I bring up get the veteran father. One person, you get coming at
You know,
me.
one person,
You coming at me run behind
Belgian
me.
father,
Yeah.
Belgian father, you know, one person.
Yeah. So yeah, and that I think sometimes to while we stay on this subject, yeah, let's just take a step back to uh congratulate and praise all of the other programs, educational programs or quizzing programs if you made that are pushing our students, the like of like LIKE slash IQE, LNDR, the mini tournament, the 1 day tournament, the few hours tournaments, and all of those programs and projects that are pushing our Liberian students to study. We say thank you. And Thomas, I've sat down and I've calculated some of the impact that these programs are making, right? there are students these days, or some students are even getting scholarship. And I'm even talking. Let's stick locally. Students are getting scholarship because these programs are running, and schools want to participate in it. And schools are out there to get the best students to market and represent their schools. And they are offering these students scholarship to go and study in the school, free, tuition free. And if you come from a parent like mine where you have to you know you're not financially strong, you have to depend on folks to help you through school, then you have to take care of those opportunities. And sometimes that's why we are here. What we say is not about the 10 points. Sometimes it's about the impact, or the impact we're making, or just the what this program, this project, the benefits indirectly or directly that it is pushing the students toward, or benefits that are moving toward the students because of these programs. So guys, like IQA, School Profile Liberia, let us continue to uphold these programs so the students can study, and so the students can be able to tap into some decent opportunities out there that be able to change their life or remove some of the financial burden from on them. Somebody saying, teach me. Yeah, come tomorrow. We got more teach me here. Come tomorrow. All right, Thomas. That's all from my end. So over to you. Final comments, words, analysis, and we call it a day.
Yeah, so I mean, I'm so grateful to almost like you said, all the programs out there that are trying their best to encourage the students to showcase their scholarship. And also, I'm grateful to all the veterans that are always coming to encourage the students. I mean, just by showing on the live, somehow you encourage the students in a weak way to do what they do best. And to also the scholars that follow, we want to say thank you for following also. And on tomorrow, the games were already announced. Come again and see wonderful games. Some people will come for entertainment, like Teach Me. Some people will come to learn, like Teach Me also. And some people will just come to see how prepared the students are. So join us on tomorrow around the hour of 2 o'clock p.m. up to 5 o'clock p.m. So thank you.
All right. Thanks for the time, Thomas. Thank you so much.
You too.